Hello, I'm Chef Chris Cukjati, a member of the Culinary Resource Team. With Mother's Day so close by, I thought it'd be a good opportunity to showcase some Markon California strawberries. One of the desserts I'm going to create with the Markon strawberries is a strawberry Napoleon. With strawberry Napoleon, one of the key ingredients is a basil-infused pastry cream. It is a cornstarch style pastry cream. I generally cook the day before to give it time to set up and cool overnight. Next thing we're going to do for our strawberry Napoleon is assemble it. One of the things that is crucial is a baked puff pastry sheet. I take a half sheet pan puff pastry, bake it, let it cool, and then cut it in half. And this is what we have here. Next step would be to make a strawberry diced macerated fruit and add a little bit of strawberry jam to it, just to add a little bit of body to it. And this will be part of the filling on the strawberry Napoleon. One of the things that I don't like is my Napoleon sliding around on my plate. So I made a little bit of chocolate ganache, and I'm just going to put it right here on the plate, just to keep it in place, to keep it from moving around. We'll put the base on the bottom, press down like that, and then we'll pipe our pastry cream onto the Napoleon. Add a little height to it so it stands up. Next thing you do is add your fresh berry with the strawberry preserves. And then one more layer of the pastry cream. We'll put the lid on top, and then we'll add just a little bit of strawberry garnish, add a mint. So one of the final garnish for this dessert is a quenelle of whipped cream. It's been enhanced by pastry cream that we made for the dessert. Starts with some heavy cream. Always use a cold mixing bowl. Some powdered sugar. And some vanilla. The final step to this whipped cream is to add the pastry cream to the soft peak whipped cream. Add a little powdered sugar on top. And we'll take our stiff whipped cream, take our spoon, strawberry Napoleon, Markon California strawberries.